Hello, this is wmpyr. For today's lesson, we're going to be working with double sticks. This is going to be a arm weaving exercise. It is a 4-hit combo, so we call it a 4-count drill. So let's get started. All right, so right away, this is our starting position, and it basically looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You could keep going, all right, but it's just 4 movements. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so let's do a breakdown. All right, so the breakdown is you're going to go in this starting position like this. You're going to go across, across. So it went top down, and then now again back to top. You're going to go diagonal, and make sure you bring it back up here, and then diagonal. And it lands right here, taking us back to the starting position. So from here, let's start over. Go across, 1, 2, 3, diagonal, make sure you park it up here, and then a second diagonal that follows in the same line, but it stays down here. And that completes it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you can see, it does flow quite nicely. All right, so the idea here, what's important is as you go 1, 2, 3, this slash right here, make sure you bring it up here. This is a common error. If you just bring it down here, you're going to kind of mess yourself up. So make sure that you bring it up, and then that gives room for number 4 to come in and park right here. Okay, we want to come back to this starting position. From here, you could switch to other exercises. Okay, or you could go into a full sinawali, okay, which is that is a heaven 6 arm weaving exercise. Now, let's come back to here, to this point right here, and you're going to go 1, 2, diagonal, diagonal, and this takes us back to where we can start over 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, if we want to switch to the other side, if you notice that it's uneven, I'm always starting on this side if you notice. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this starting position exists on the right side, but it's not on the left side. So if you want to alternate that, okay, what we can do is we can change it like this. You're going to go 1, 2, and right here, number 3, you do your diagonal the same. For number 4, instead of just doing a diagonal and parking it, you're going to do a diagonal and a diagonal. So this is actually your figure 8, downwards figure 8 X strike. So you're going to go 1, 2, just like that. So from this position, this is the diagonal that's supposed to follow and end up here, but instead you're going to go 1 and 2, okay? And this parks up here, and this follows immediately afterwards with a diagonal, but it parks here. So now it's taken us to the same starting position, but on the left side. So then we can go across, across. And then we can start it again. 1, 2, across, across. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have successfully switched my starting position now. As you can see, my starting position is now over here, okay, on this side. So if I want to switch it back to the right side, once again, I go across, across, and then this one, this diagonal, first one goes, and then the second one, instead of going right here, it's going to go 1 and 2. Makes another downwards figure 8. This downwards figure 8 is what switches us. So from here, boom, this one follows. So this is the second diagonal because I went downwards figure 8, park up here, and this one immediately follows with another diagonal. And now I've switched across, across, and then diagonal, diagonal. Across, across, diagonal, diagonal, cross, across, diagonal, diagonal. So now I have successfully switched again to the right side. So it may seem confusing at first, just take it step by step, and you should be able to do it no problem. Thank you for watching, and take care, folks.